guys, just an unboxing review of the Rosevale premium 12-pack of bath bombs. Got two different types here, and the intent of this video is just to open them up and show you what different types you get and basically the size compared to, you know, measurements in my hand. So definitely a great gift. As the holidays are just around the season, this is great for anyone that needs to take a little time to themselves, or likes places like Lush and, you know, Bath and Body Works and whatnot. Nice little card, and pretty cool looking. Check out this one's like gold. As soon as I opened the box, the smell is just fantastic, kind of filled the whole room. Individually wrapped, and so I would say that they're bigger than a regular size baseball. So they are large, so definitely awesome. Yeah, so it smells fantastic and good size. Pretty good price on these two. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day.